Looking to build a media center with your Raspberry Pi? You've probably heard of LibreELEC and OSMC, but which one's better? Let's break it down. Both systems turn your Raspberry Pi into a streaming machine running Kodi. They're free, open source, and pretty similar on the surface, but here's the key difference. LibreELEC is built only to run Kodi, nothing else. OSMC is a full operating system based on Debian Linux, which means it can do more than just Kodi. LibreELEC wins here. It's super lightweight and boots in about 10 seconds. Because it only runs Kodi, it uses less memory and processing power. You'll notice smoother playback, especially with 4K content. OSMC is slightly heavier since it's running a full Linux system underneath. It's still good, but if pure speed is your goal, LibreELEC has the edge. Now OSMC fights back. Since it's a full operating system, you can install other programs alongside Kodi. Want to run a web server, a VPN, other Linux apps? OSMC lets you do that. LibreELEC doesn't. It's locked down to just Kodi and its add-ons. OSMC also has its own app store and a nicer custom interface. If you want more control and options, OSMC is your pick. Both get regular updates, but LibreELEC usually gets new Kodi versions faster. Installation is easy on both, with simpler installers that work on SD cards. Both have active communities for support, and setup time is basically the same, under an hour for either one. Pick LibreELEC if you want a dedicated media center that's fast, simple, and no nonsense. Pick OSMC if you need extra features and want to use your Pi for more than just watching movies. For most people though, just wanting smooth Kodi playback, LibreELEC is the winner. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.